Hi guys, in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily change font size in Android. It is quite simple and easy, but before starting the video make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make any mistake, and make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. So first of all, open settings. Now scroll down until you find shortcuts and accessibility. Now simply tap on it. Now click on accessibility at bottom of your screen. Now simply click on font size. Now select any size according to your choice. Now go back and your font size will be changed. That's how you can easily change font size in Android. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.